I learned to live in gratitude, and it had an amazing impact on my life. And I share this with almost everyone that I coach, people that I work with, that you must learn to do is to write gratitude. This is a very simple practice. You need to find a notebook and a pen, place it on your bedside, and every night when you go to bed, you write down 5 things that you're grateful for in that day. Now, the reason you need to do that is that we must realize that the vibration, the emotional state that we go to bed in every night is mostly the vibration we wake up with. So it has a trickling effect. So if you're feeling miserable one day and you go to bed feeling miserable, most likely you're going to wake up with the same energetic vibration, the same emotional state, and have not such a great day again. And when we don't check this, it repeats itself over and over again. So to break this cycle, it is really important to shift our vibration. It is really important to shift our vibration before we go to sleep. So it is really important that we shift our vibration at the end of each day. So if you're not having a great day, it is even more important for you to sit back with yourself and find 5 things you could be grateful for. Write down these things in your gratitude journal and make sure that when you're writing them, you're feeling grateful. It could be something as small as having a great conversation with someone, reading a great article, or just taking a walk in your lawn with your child, or just spending some time with your parents. Whatever it is that you're grateful for, write that down in your gratitude journal. And when you start feeling that sense of ease and comfort and feeling appreciation for the life you have today, that is when you go to sleep. Another thing that it does is that it shifts your focus from what went wrong to all that is going well for you. And when you're looking at things that are going well, you see more of just that. So I would suggest each and every one of you to get yourself a gratitude journal and get started today. Take care of yourself, and until next time, bye-bye.